The other day, one of the guys on the shop floor came to me and said, "Hey Tom, it seems that the guys in the shop are making all of the lean videos. One of the office guys going to start making more lean videos." And I said, "Oh yeah, don't worry, the office is going to be making more videos." But occurred to me, what I really should have said was, that's incorrect thinking. All we can do is focus on our own actions and our own waste and setting an example for others to follow. Because focusing on other people's problems or other people's waste is really avoiding responsibility for our own actions. And it kind of reminded me a little bit of the way sometimes we'll complain about the job we're working on, or complain about our customers, or complain about our coworkers. But really, our actions are far more stronger than our words. And so the important thing, I think, for all of us working in a lean place is take responsibility for your actions and for your waste and for your problems. Fix them. Be an example for other people to follow, instead of painting yourself to be a victim of circumstances and powerless. Because really, every one of us has a great deal of power to change our own circumstances. And that's lean thinking.